Kate Bevins and I'm the training manager at Bradgate. I've worked for Bradgate and Samworth Brothers for over 25 years. We had run a couple of cohorts of food manufacturing excellence, and that really looked at continuous improvement and how we could make changes in the bakery, and was very project based. Really what some of our team leaders needed was some development in soft skill areas, and this programme actually fitted giving them some of that, but also applying it into food manufacturing, and incorporated a bit of lean and continuous improvement for those that hadn't done it before. Well, I've known CQM for quite some time now, and I have to say that every programme we've run, we've had a definite partnership. When we first looked at scoping this programme out, Keith and I, and then Maxine, the tutor, came on board, and we all scoped it out and agreed what we wanted out of it, how that fitted into the units, and what were the main objectives. It's absolutely amazing that today we've got 14 people who have done that qualification and got through, and it's an amazing amount of work. It took them over a year, and there's a lot of evidencing to do in the portfolios because it is an apprenticeship standard.
I'm working with people every day, so it's just communication with the people, listening, understanding their problem, their point of view, and as I mentioned with my colleagues as well, from the different departments, it's been much more be going into details, understanding our jobs, our roles, our responsibilities more better. English is not my first language, so Max was so supportive, and she helped me a lot because I had to have my exams on a number of things, so it was really, really good.
I've gained my confidence. I can do a presentation with confidence, and I've known how to approach managers when I've got issues and solve issues what I couldn't solve before. Max was a very, very good teacher. She is fantastic because she made us feel really comfortable. Her classes were never boring, they were always exciting, and we always had a good laugh.
We've got the next cohort here today as well. We've sort of put 2 cohorts of 16 people through now, so 32 people to go through this kind of programme is quite significant. What we fundamentally want to do is get people better at what they do now so that they can grow within their roles, and those that then want to develop and go further, it gives them some of that underpinning stuff to be able to do that.